So in this problem, we have to find the value of the variable and the length of each chord. If necessary, round your answers to the nearest tenth. These are two chords that intersect inside the circle. First, we know that the length of MN, that's what we have to find, is 9 plus 17, which is 26. We also got to find the length of JL. We can't do that until we find the value of X. When two chords intersect inside a circle, the product of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the segments of the other chord. Basically what that means is we're going to take 18 times X, we're going to set that equal to 9 times 17. Go ahead and simplify. 9 times 17 is 153. Divide by 18, and you get X is equal to 8.5. So that's the value of X. We plug that into segment JL, and we got to add 18 to that. So that is 26.5.